Today I have a special feature for you and a recommendation for a guy who did some finish work inside darkness. So I'm going to give you that in just a second. I'm just taking Coco out here for a little stretch outside of darkness, and I will be with you in just a second when I get back in the house. We had some work done by Quality Woodwork in Brown City. Erik Alholinna, I hope I didn't botch that name up, does any kind of woodwork you can imagine. He builds furniture. So he did some crown molding on this before. And we had him finish the ceiling, which before he finished it looked like this. And he did a fantastic job. I have some after pictures for you. He was very thorough. He cleaned up very well after he was finished. He ran into a few issues with our walls and our ceiling not being level. Of course, in a building darkness age, you're going to come across that. So his craftsmanship is beyond average. So if you need some quality woodworking done, you need some finishing projects around the house done, he's the finisher to call. And I'll have his contact information in my comments or in my info section for this video. If you're watching this, check out his Facebook page at Quality Woodwork, and I'll spell his name below. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but I got it close enough. And so you could check out his Facebook page and some of his furniture. And on that note, I'm going to show you some before and after pictures of, you already seen the before. I'll show you a couple back to back so you can get an idea of what kind of work he has done to complete some of the projects we've been waiting patiently to get done at Dark Nest. So enjoy. All right, that's about it for this video. Sorry it might have been too quick. I recommend a good business when we find one. So if you're in the Sanilac County or even some of the St. Clair County, Erik might be able to serve your woodworking finishing needs. Give him a call. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe below if you like our travel videos. And for some big news this late winter, I'll have some really big news for all of you. So keep coming back regularly. Hit the bell below if you want to be alerted when we post a new video. I know it's been a little while since I've posted one. So thanks so much, and we will see you very soon.